Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today's our topic is Spring Data JPA, or JPA stands for Java Persistence API. So before looking into that, we must know about ORM, means relational mapping. So object relational mapping, it is simply that the process of persisting any Java object directly into a database table. Usually the name of the object being persisted and becomes the name of the table, and each field within that object becomes a column, and with the table setup, each row corresponds to a record in the applications, and the Hibernate, it is one of the example of the ORM. In short, a JPA is the interface, while Hibernate it is implementation. Means the Java Persistence API provides specification for perceiving, reading, and managing data from your Java object to your relational tables in the database, and the Java specifies the set of rules and the guidelines for developing an interface, so that the follows the standards, and straight to be the point, JPA is just a guideline to implement the ORM, and there is no underlying code for the implementation. And Spring Data JPA is a part of the Spring framework, and the goal of the Spring Data repository abstractions is significantly reduce, and the amount of the world plates and code required to implement the data access layer for various persistence stores. And Spring Data JPA is not a JPA provider, it is the library framework, and that adds to extra layer of the abstractions on the top of our JPA providers and the live Hibernate, and configure that a Spring Data JPA in JPA applications with example. And the requirements are STS IDE and MySQL Workbench and the Java repository, and it creates a Spring Boot project in STS and gives a project name and select at a required dependency Spring JPA and the MySQL driver and Spring Web. These shown in the attached point of the pre-XML, and JPA repository in which access the object of that with the database connectivity, and which gives the means the accessibility of the connectivity between the database and the Java interface or object, which can be happened in by the way of JPA repository only. And this is the one of the most important feature or the task or repo in the Spring Java. And thank you so much.